Kejialang kenhuan menteri ke sorkar MDA2 ke Pynlong hak kendai teri unok pra arja arpusa kelapa ya ke Jingtyrwa syaulat ke jelab un Mynjur ya ke Jingtyrwa ban Pynlong ya ke Elekshon MDC syaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ban Jingtyrwa Hills Autonomous District Council. Kening amat ikran kedai na pedang ki Kyrwoh teliki mat ki balaya tai hak jingyalang hak bau menteri rangba ka jelau Conrad kisang ma ulaong baka syau menta sah karai naulat ban Mynjur ya ka tarik ban Pynlong ya ka Elekshon MDC syakite ki artli ki Autonomous District Council. Ulaong baumla ban yathu lanu an Pynlong ya ka Elekshon MDC kat ba empat yo ka jing Mynjur naulat Halor kini ke benta. Kumban syukudau baya ka samoy trekam kini ki artli ki Autonomous District Council la penjalan da sisnam na kabala day ban Pynlong house nam arja arpusau na kajing ai bor ulat ya kajing penyat cakmat ya ki delimitation committee ban penbet renti ya ki Shillong haki MDC constituency beper.
We have also today decided that on the schedule for the conduct of the elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Jingtyrwa Hills Autonomous District Council, and these elections, the entire schedule of the elections has been finalized by or approved by the cabinet. But of course, as you are aware, all of this has to be approved by the governor, and therefore, once it is approved by the governor, only then can we officially announce it. But the cabinet has now approved and proposed it for further approval of the Honorable Governor of our state. So we await that, and once we get the approval from the Honorable Governor, we will be officially announcing and informing the exact dates and the schedule of the council elections. As I said, it has only been now, you can say, approved by the cabinet. It is ultimately the governor who is going to give the ratification and approve it. So you're right, it will be wrong for me to give a date because then I cannot supersede the decision that has to be made by the governor. So only when you get the approval from the governor's office and secretariat, only then we'll be able to share it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pindon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya